Yeah, I know sometimes things may not always make sense to you right now, but hey, what did daddy always tell you? Straighten up, little soldier, stiffen up that upper lip. But what you crying about? You got me? Haley, I know you miss your mom, and I know you miss your dad, but I'm gone, but trying to give you the life that I never had. I can see you're sad, even when you smile, even when you laugh. I can see it in your eyes, deep inside you want to cry, cause you're scared, hanging there. Daddy's with you in your prayers, no more crying, wipe your tears. Daddy's here, no more nightmares. We gon' pull together through it, we gon' do it. Lady, uncle's crazy, 80, yeah, but he loves you, girl, and you better know it. We're all we got in this world, when it spins, when it swirls, when it whirls, when it twirls. Two little beautiful girls, looking puzzled in a daze. I know it's confusing you. Daddy's always on the move, mama's always on the news. I try to keep you sheltered from it, but somehow it seems the harder I try to do that, the more it backfires on me. All the things growing up, is daddy that he had to see. Daddy don't want you to see, but you see just as much as he did. We did not plan it to be this way, you mother and me, but things have got so bad between us. I don't see us ever being together ever again, like we used to be when we were teenagers. But then of course everything always happens for a reason. I guess it was never meant to be. This is something we have no control over, and that's what destiny is. But no more worries, rest your head and go to sleep. Maybe one day we'll wake up and this will all just be a dream. Now hush little baby, don't you cry, everything's gonna be alright. Sipping on a fill up, little lady, I told you. Daddy said I'll hold you through the night. I know mommy's not here right now, don't know why. Feeling how we feeling inside, and this seem a little crazy, pretty baby, but I promise, mom, it's gonna be alright. It's funny, I remember back when you and daddy had no money. Mommy wrapped the Christmas presents up and stuck them under the tree, and since I remember them from me, cause daddy couldn't buy them. Never forget that Christmas I stayed up the whole night crying, cause daddy felt like a bomb. See, daddy had a job, but his job was to keep the food on the table for you and mom. And at the time, every house that we lived in either kept getting broken into and robbed, or shot up in the block. And your mom was saving money for you in a job, trying to start a piggy bank for you so you could go to college. Almost had $1,000 till someone broke in and stole it. I know it hurt so bad it broke your mama's heart. It seemed like everything was just starting to fall apart. Mom and dad was arguing a lot, so mama moved back to the Chalmers in the flat one-bedroom apartment, and your dad moved back to the other side of 8 Mile on Navarro. And that's when daddy went to California with a CD and met Dr. Dre, who flew your mama out to see me. But daddy had to work, your mama had to leave me. Then you started seeing daddy on the TV, and mama didn't like that. You and Lainey were too young to understand. Papa was a Rolling Stone, mama developed a habit, and it all happened too fast for either one of us to grab it. I'm just sorry you were there and had to witness it firsthand, cause all I ever wanted to do was just make you proud. Now I'm sitting in this empty house, just reminiscing, looking at your baby pictures. It just trips me out to see how much you both have grown. It's almost like your sisters now. Wow, I guess you're pretty much are. Daddy's still here, Lainey, I'm talking to you too. Daddy's still here, I like the sound of that. Yeah, it's got a ring to it, don't it? Mama's gone for the moment. Hush little baby, don't you cry, everything's gonna be alright. Sipping that up, fill up, little lady, I told you. Daddy said I'll hold you through the night. I know mommy's not here right now, don't know why. Feeling how we feeling inside, and this seem a little crazy, pretty baby, but I promise, mom, it's gonna be alright. And if you ask me to, daddy's gonna buy you a mockingbird. I'm gonna give you the world, I'ma buy a diamond ring for you, I'ma sing for you, I'll do anything for you to